Hello aspirants, welcome to Meghalayamentors. Today we'll be looking at another important topic of arithmetic, that is time and work. We have already completed ratio and proportion, number system, and percentage, profit and loss. So let us today look at time and work. You should watch till the end to get the full concept of time and work, which is important for all the exams conducted by MPSCs, DSCs, and also very important for the upcoming MLP exams. So let us begin now. Okay. To start with time and work, you should know some of the terms important for this topic. Okay, that is time, total work, efficiency. Okay, so what is time? Time is the duration taken to complete a certain amount of work. You all know what is time. How much time is taken to complete the given work. Now, what is total work? Total work is the complete amount of work to be done. Now, total work is what? It is the amount of work which has to be completed. Okay, which has to be completed within the given time limit. Okay, and now what is the efficiency? Very important. What is the efficiency? Okay, efficiency is the amount of work a person or machine can do in a given time, typically per day or per hour. So efficiency is how much work you can do in a day. You can say how much amount of work you can do in a day or in a given hour. Okay, so we will learn this by the form of questions. Okay, let us see now some important formulas that you should remember in time and work. First of all, you should remember is efficiency is equal to, whenever you have to find efficiency, you should use this formula. Okay, efficiency is equal to total work divided by the time. Okay, divided by the time. Same way, if you have to find a time, you should remember time will be given as total work by efficiency. Okay, then if you have to find, say, if you have to find a total work, now very important, if you have to find a total work, what you should do? You should do efficiency multiplied by time. Okay, so you should remember these three formulas. Okay, so these are important formulas that you should remember. But in the exams that are conducted by MPSC, then DSC and MLP, we have very limited type of questions coming in the exam. So that's what we'll be doing in this video today. Okay, so let us see now some types of question. Type 1. This type 1 questions is like you are given some days. Okay, you are given some days. You have to know in how many days they can complete work together. If they are two persons working separately, and then if they work together, then in how much time they will finish the given work. So in this type of question, you should remember first thing. Let me read the question. Okay, very important. A can do a piece of work in 10 days. See, there's one person A which can complete work, given work in 10 days. Okay, A alone can do in 10 days. B can do it in 15 days. Now B alone can do the same work in 15 days. In how many days they will finish it together? If they work together, say A and B, they are working together, then in how much time they will complete the given work. So to do this type of question, I'll tell you two methods. Okay, I'll tell you the two methods. First one, let's write what is given. A can complete in 10 days, B can complete in 15 days. Okay, you should remember one formula for doing this. If it is asked that in how many days they will finish it together. First method you can do is, you should remember this formula, AB by A plus B. Okay, this formula you can do using this method also. I'll tell you, you should not use this method always. Okay, I'll give you one more method here, method 2. This is 1. I'll give you method 2 also. Okay, so let's see here. So just put the values of A. A is how much? 10 into B is 15 by A is 10 plus 15. You get 150 by 10 plus 5 is 15. So 10 into, is it 10 days and 15 days. A into B is 10 into 15, which is 150, and then 10 plus 15 is, sorry, this is 25. Okay, I'm really sorry, 10 plus 15 is 25. Now just start with the cancellation. 25, you can say 20. Okay, start with 5. 5 into 5. 5 into how much? 5 into 30. Then 5 into 1. 5 into 6. So how many days they are taking together? 6 days. Okay, 6 days. But when sometimes it is also given A can do a piece of work, B can do a piece of work, then also C can do a piece of work, then this will be you should do A into B, then B into C. This will be a long method. So what you should do is you should use the second method. How we'll do? Let's see. First thing you should remember the given person, then how much time they are taking, then we need to get the total work, very important. Okay, total work, and then the efficiency. I told you right about the efficiency. It is what? How much amount of work they're doing per day. Okay, per day out of total work. Okay, so let us see how we'll get the total work. Now first, how many percent we have? A and B. A is how much? He can do a piece of work in 10 days. B can do in 15 days. So person A time 10, 15. Okay, now we need total work. How will we get total work? You should take the LCM of this two, A and B. 10 and 15 LCM. The lowest common multiple of 10 and 15 will be how much? If you don't know how to take out the LCM by factorization, you can take it, right? But don't do this one, it will waste your time in exams. So what you should do is you should continue the multiple of 15. 15 into 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30, right? Check if this 10 will also divide at 30 or not. If I take 15 ones are 15, if I take LCM as 15, 10 will not divide at 15, right? So let's check next number, that is 15 into 2 is how much? 30. Since 15 into 2 is 30. See, even 10 can divide this 30. 10 3s are 30. So getting my point. So our total work will be how much? Total work will be 30. Okay. So this is because taking time. Why? Because I'm explaining to you. Okay. But once you start doing it by yourself, it'll be very easy and it'll not take say even 30 seconds to complete. Okay. Now let's see. 10, 15. You got the LCM 30. Now we need one efficiency. Efficiency means this is the total work in 10 days. And 15 days. A and B can do total work. It is given as 30. Okay, by the method of LCM we got the total work. Now to get the efficiency, what you should do? A can complete the total work in 10 days, right? In 10 days as per the question. But in one day, how many units of work can A alone complete it? So what you should do? Should do this one as 30 divided by 10. You'll get the efficiency. Get 10 divide 30 will be how much? 10 into 3 is 30. I hope you're getting my point. Same way, B can complete in 15 days total work, that is 30. B. So in one day, how many works can B completed? So let's see. 15. This will be 3 units. Okay, 3 units per day. A can complete 3 units per day. Now B can complete how many days? What you should do? 30 divided by 15, right? So you'll get 15 into 2. So B can complete 2 units of work per day. But as per the question, in how many days they will finish it together? How you should do? Together means A and B are working together now. A plus B. Add their efficiency is how much? 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. This will be how much? It will be 5. So if they work together, they are completing 5 units of work per day. 5 units of work per day. So our total work is how much? It is 30, right? Our 30. So as I have given the formula, total work is what? Efficiency into time. So can you see? Now we need to find what? We need to find the days. So what was our formula? Days. Total work by efficiency. Can you see? Time is to need to find how many days we should do a total work by efficiency. Remember this formula, right? Our efficiency is 5 if they both are working, and our total work is 30. So what you can do? Days is equal to a time. You can write total work by efficiency. So you'll get how much? 5 into 6. So they'll together A and B can take 6 days to complete the total work. So answer will be option number D. Here also we got 6 days, right? We get 6 days. Here also 6 days. So you can use either this method or this method, but I'll prefer you this method. Okay. So let's see one more question of the same kind. A takes 8 days to finish a piece of work. We'll use second method. Okay. B takes 10 days to finish the same work. How long will it take for both of them to finish the work together? Same way, let's do A, B. A takes how many days? It takes 8 days. B takes 10 days. Now get the total work first. Do the LCM of this two, 8 and 10. The lowest common multiple. if you don't know how to take it out using the you directly, then I told you how to. You should use this trick. Check the multiple of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 3 is 30, 10 fours are 40. Since 40 is divided by 8, our LCM, we can take it as 40. So this will be our total work. Clear? Now you need to find what? Efficiency. So how will you find efficiency? Like I said, in 8 days, A can complete the work. Total work is 40. 40 works in 8 days. So in 1 day, how many days? And how many works he can complete? So let us see. We should do what? 40 by 8. So it will be 5 units. A can complete 5 units of work per day. Same way, B can complete how many work? 40 by 10. So it will be how much? 4 units. B can complete 4 units of work per day. But what this question is asking is, both of them finish the work together. Same way, A plus B, right? Now A plus B, 5 plus 4 will be how much? 9. So 9 units of work per day. They can complete 9 units of work per day. I hope you're getting my point. Now you all know how to find A plus B, total days. How long will it take? They're asking about a time only, right? So you know our total work time will be how much? Time is total work by efficiency. So put time will be how much? Our total work is 40. I've given here 40. Divide by our efficiency is how much? Total efficiency. Okay, for both be 9. So our answer will be how much? 40 by 9. Okay, 40 by 9 days. So can you see in option number A we have the answer. I hope it is clear. If you are not getting any points, you can just rewind and rewatch it. Okay, let's go to next. A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days. Now see, A and B, they are working together to complete a piece of work in 12 days. They are working together, A and B, and they are completing the work in 12 days. A alone can do it in 20 days, but A alone can do it in 20 days. And how many days B alone? Now we need to find if B will complete in how many days. So it is same, okay? Don't be confused with this diagram. It is same. Just get the LCM first. A plus B working together, they will complete work in 12 days. And B alone, and what? A alone can complete in 20 days. So you got the days for both A plus B and A. Now get the LCM to get the total work. Okay, to get the total work. Now 12 and 20. Just check the multiple of 20. 21 is 20, 22 is 40, 23 is 60. Now see, 23 is 60. 20 into 3 is 60. 12 can also divide 60. By how? 12 into 5 is 60. Now get the efficiency for both. Efficiency. Now per unit. Now I'll not do it directly, okay? I will do it directly, okay? I'll not do 60 by 12 like that. Efficiency, you should remember 12 into how much is 60? 12 into 5 is 60. 20 into how much? 60. 20 into 3 is 60. Now listen carefully, okay? This is the efficiency 5 units if both A and B are working together. And alone, A alone can complete the work in a day. He can complete 3 units of work. 3 units of work alone, okay? A plus B can complete 5 units of work per day. But what the question is asking here is B, how many days B alone can complete the work, okay? So what we should do, we should take out the efficiency of B, because we don't know. A plus B we know, A we know, but B we don't know. So how you should do? You should do like this. A plus B is equal to 5 units. It's already given, yes. A plus B. Now see, we already know the efficiency of A. It is 3 units. So just put the value of A, 3 units by 5. So B will be how much? Just take this 3 to the other side. It will be 5 minus 3. So B will be how much? 2. So 2 units of work. B is doing 2 units of work alone. Now our total work is how much? Our total work is 60. So find the day for B. Let me write it down like this. Don't be confused, okay? TB. Time for B. Total work by efficiency, okay? So let me do it like this. I just move to the other side, okay, to get the space. So total work is how much? 60. And our efficiency of B is how much? Look for B, okay? I'm writing for B. It is 2. So to cancel this one, should get 30 days. So B, if B alone want to do the total work, 60 works, he should complete it by 30 days, okay? So answer will be A, option number A. B can complete in 30 days. I hope this is clear. Let's go to next. Type 1. A and B can do a work in 10 days, B and C 12 days, and A and C. Okay, this type of question also very important. You can mark it as important for UBSI or maybe in UB group. Okay, so let us see how. So now you see A plus B can complete in 10 days. Okay, I've brought 4-5 of same type of questions. Okay, because it'll be helpful for you. This type of question only you'll be expecting for exams. B plus C now. B plus C, how many days? 12 days. And A and C 15 days. And C plus A can do in 15 days. First thing you should do is you should get the LCM to get the total work, right? Now 10, 12, 15. The bigger number here is 15. So count the multiple of 15. 15 1 is 15. 15 2 is 30. See, 30. 15 can divide 30. 10 can divide, but 12 cannot do. So you should go more. 15 into 3 is 45. 15 into 4 is 60. So we got the total work. If you want to use factorization, if you are too fast, you can do that also. But this will be saving your time. 15 multiple of 15 should check the multiple of the bigger number here. 50. 15 into 1 is 15. 15 2 is 30. 15 3 is 45. 15 4 is 60. Since 60 is divided by all the numbers 10, 12, and 15, we can take the total work as 60. Okay, now 10 into how much? 60. 10 into 6. So A plus B together can complete 6 units of work. B plus C, 12 into how much? 12 into 5. And then C plus A is 15. 15 into 4. Okay, 4 units. So can you see? A plus B can do 6 units of work per day. B plus C can do 5 units of work per day. C plus A can complete 4 units of work per day. But now what question is asking is how long will A, B, C together can finish the work? A, B, C, but we don't know the efficiency of A alone, B alone, and C. We know if they are working together. So how will you do? Just add all this, add this 3. You will get what? A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A. You get the efficiency 6 plus 5 plus 4, right? There's a total efficiency. Now see how many A? 1A, 2A, 2B, CB. Can we take common? Can we do like this? 2A plus 2B plus simple mathematics, okay? Then add 6 plus 4 is then 15. Clear? Now we can see 2 is common everywhere, so you can take 2 as a common. A plus B plus C equal to 15, right? Now what you should do, see if you do A plus B plus C, are we getting, if they work together, A, B, C, now are we getting from A plus B, B plus C, C plus B, we are getting directly A plus B plus C. We need that, right? If the 3 of them are working together, not just 2, 3 of them are working together. So this will be what? 15 by 2. This will be how much? A plus B plus C. If you divide 15 by 2, you should get 7.5. Okay, so this is the 7.5 units if 3 of them are working together, okay, in one day. But our total work is how much? So total time, now A plus B plus C will be how much? Total work by efficiency. So our total work T A plus B plus C, our total work is how much? It is 60, and our efficiency is 7.5. Okay, now you know 60 by, if you want to remove the decimal point, you can do 75 by 10. Okay, now you should do a 60. If nothing is there, you do 1 into reciprocal of this one. This division is converted into multiply, so you should do the reciprocal of the given numbers. Okay, 75. Now cancel. We can cancel. 15 into 3, 15 into 5 is 75. 15 into 4 is 60. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Multiply 4 into 2 will be how much? 4 into 2 will be 8. So they are taking how many days? A plus B plus C, they are taking 8 days to complete the given work. Okay, so how many days? 8 days. I hope this is clear. Should use this one. Okay, mark it as important. And these are important for all MPSC exams also. Okay, you might expect in Meghalaya police exam, but very important for MPSC. Okay, let us go now. Next type 1 question. APC can do. Okay, this will be your homework. Give me the answer. This I'll term it as question number, say 5. Okay, question, just example for question number 5. Question number 5, you should write in comment. Question number 5, answer will be this one. Okay, try it yourself. Let's go one more. A can complete a piece of work in 20 days. B alone in the 25 days if they start work together. Okay, very important question again. So let us see now what the question is. Listen nicely. Okay, A can complete a piece of work in 20 days. So we need to A can complete a piece of work in 20 days. B can complete the same work in 25 days. 25 days. If they start work together, but after 5 days, B left the work. See, you're getting my point. They are working together for 5 days at least, A and B together. But after 5 days, what happened? B left the work. After 5 days, B left the work. In how many days the total work would be finished? Now the tricky question, right? B has left the work. Now in how many days A will alone complete the total work, total given work? So let us see. First thing is same. Get the LCM. 25 1, 25 2, 25 3, 24 4, 25. 4 is 100, because 100 is divided by 20. Also, to get the efficiency, what you should do? 20 into how much is 100? 20 into 5. 5 units A alone. B 100. 25 into 4 is 100. So A can alone do 5 units of work in a day, and B alone can do 4 units of work in a day. But our total work is 100. Now the time comes. If they are working together, first they are working together. So get the efficiency of both of them. 5 plus 4, you should get A plus B is equal to how much? 9 units. But it is up to when? 9 units up to when? Out of this total work, 100 works, they are working together for only 5 days, because after 5 days B has left. B left the work. You can see here, right? B left the, after 5 days B left the work. But till 5 days they both were working, right? A and B are working together up to 5 days. So what you should do to get the up to 5 days? That is 9. You should 9 units, because A plus B are working together up to 5 days. So total work they have done up to 5 days will be how much? 9 into 5. That is 45 unit works has been already completed. But our total work is 100, right? If 45 units has already been completed, what you should do? You should subtract 100 minus 45. This will be how much? 55 units of work is still left. And this is being completed by whom? This is being completed by A alone, because B has left. Now A will work alone to complete the remaining work. That is 55. Now get the efficiency of A. This is 5. Yes or no? So what you should do? How many days does A work? A has worked for how many days? This will be total work by efficiency of A. Okay, efficiency of A is how much? 5. So how many days does A take to complete the rest of the work? It will be 11 days. Okay, 11 days. But our answer will not stop here. Okay, our answer, because we need in how many days the total work would be finished. First, because A and B were working together, they took 5 days at least, they were working. But A alone took 11 days. So our total answer will be how much? 11 plus 5. This will be 16 days. Okay, a bit tricky. Watch again and again to get the full concept of this type of questions. Okay, if they start to work together after 5, once again I'll repeat, A and B, you should get the total work, get the efficiency of A and B. Here in this case 5 and 4. So according to question, it is saying that if they start the work together, but after 5 days B left the work, means what? A and B were working together up to 5 days, right? Up to 5 days they were working together. So the efficiency of A and B should be added first. That is 5 plus 4, which will be 9 units per day they were doing. But up to 5 days they were working. So what you should do? 9 into 5 to get the total work that A and B have completed. Out of the remaining, that is 100 is the total. Okay. Now what you should do is to subtract 100 minus 45, because B has already left. Now the remaining work will be done by whom? This 55 unit work will be completed by A, right? So since A is completing, so we know the efficiency of A already. We know the remaining work is 55. So what you should do? We should get the how many days A alone can finish the work. That is 55 by 5. So we got 11 days. But if the question would have asked in how many days A alone can complete the work, then it will be 11 days. But the question is saying how many days the total work would be finished. So total work will be how many days they are taking. First of all, they have already taken 5 days. 5 days, and A alone did for 11 days. So you should add both 5 plus 11. So you'll get the answer as 16 days. Okay, so our answer would be option number A. Okay, a bit tricky, but you should learn it. Okay, let's go. Now type 2 questions. In type 2 questions, say you'll be given like this. Okay, you'll be giving A is 20% more efficient than B. Okay, 20% more efficient B. Let me show you one question. The working efficiency of A and B are in the ratio 3:2. What will be the ratio of number of days taken by them? So can you see this? This is talking about efficiency. Now you should remember. Okay, you should remember. We have written, right, efficiency is equal to total work by time, which means what? Efficiency is inversely proportional to time. That means what? If efficiency is more, less time will be needed to complete the work. Understand? If efficiency is more, less time will be taken to complete the work. One more thing you should remember in efficiency is that, suppose if I give E1 by E2, this will be equal to what? T2 by T1. Means efficiency is inversely proportional. Suppose if say there are two persons A and B, if the efficiency is given as 2:3. First, we were in the previous type 1 questions, what we did, we are to find the efficiency, right? We are to find the efficiency. First of all, to find the efficiency, we should know the days, how many days they are working, then get the total work, then get the efficiency. But this type, in type 2 questions, efficiencies will already be given. Okay, already be given. So what you should remember is, if suppose efficiency of A and B are given, you should use ratio method to do this type of question. If so, time will be what? It will be inversely proportional. Inversely means just the reciprocal of this one. So you should do 3:2. Automatically you should remember time will be 3:2, just the opposite of efficiency. If efficiency of A is 2, B is 3, then time will be what? Time of time of A will be 3, then B will be 2. One more, if A is B, efficiency is given, say 6:7, then time you should already know that it will be 7:6. Okay, very important concept. You should remember to get the time if efficiency is given. You should get the time like this. So let us see type 2 questions. The working efficiency of A and B, you can expect this type of question. Okay, I have not seen till now given in any MPSC, DSC or Meghalaya police exams, but this time you might expect. Okay, so we should learn. Okay, the working efficiency of A and B are in the ratio 3:2. 3:2. What will be the ratio of the number of days taken by them to complete the same work individually? So I said efficiency. So let us write, there are two persons A and B. The efficiency is given how much? 3:2. As soon as you know the efficiency, what you should do is, the time will be inversely proportional of efficiency. Just do 2:3. Getting my point? This will get the answer. So how many days they're taking? 2:3. The ratio will be in 2:3. I hope this is clear. Let's go one more. A is twice as efficient as B. A alone can complete a work in 18 days. And how many days B alone can do it? See, now efficient is already given. You don't need to do any LCM or anything to get the efficient. What you should do? Use the ratio method. Is to B. Okay, see, A is twice efficient as B. If B efficient of B is 1, A is twice of B, so it'll be 2, right? You got the efficient. Now if you know the efficiency, time you will know automatically. Time is just the reciprocal. So 1:2. Getting my point? Time is just the inverse of efficiency, that is 1:2. Now you got the time of A is this taking 1 day to complete the work. B is taking how many days? 2 days. But according to question, if A alone can complete a work in 18 days, A is taking how many days to complete? 18 days, right? To complete total work, 18 days. So B will complete in how many days? B is working. Should do same ratio. I told you ratio will be the relationship of 2 or more than 2 given given values, right? Yes or no? So in this case, if 18 is being multiplied by 1, same way 18 will be multiplied by 2, because A and B are in relations. Okay, so okay, 2 into 18 will be how much? Sorry, I've written 18. 2 into 18 will be 36. So A, B alone can do in how many days? 36 days. Okay, I hope this is clear. Option number B will be the correct answer. Very important market. Okay, let's go one more. I'll do this one. This is a question you understand. Okay, if the working efficiency of A is 50% more, remember the word more from percentage I've already taught you, then B, and B alone can do a piece of work in 36 days, then in how many days A alone can finish the same work? So again, let us write A and B. Now efficiency, very important. It is A is 50% more than B. Get the fractional value of 50. It will be how much? 1 by 2. Since I said more, added, increase, what you should do? Should add the numerator and denominator. Then you'll get 3 by 2. That means this will be your B, this will be your A. Okay, so our A will be how much? 3, B will be 2. As soon as you know the efficiency, you will be knowing the time. There will be how much? 2 is to 3. Now B alone, as per the question, B alone can do a piece of work in 36 days. And you see, B alone can do the piece of work in 36. Means what? If you multiply, how much you will be getting? 36. When you multiply 3 into 12, right? 3 into 12 is 36. Same way for A, what you should do? You should multiply it by, since the A and B are in relation. Whenever they are in ratio, they are in relation. Okay, so 12. So 2 into 12 will be how much? It will be 24 days. So how much time A is taking? A is taking 24 days to complete the total work. I hope this is clear, crystal clear. So you should do, whenever you see efficiency type of question, you should use this method. Okay, very easy. Okay, let's go one more. So I want you to do this one as your homework. This will be question number 6. I have given 5. This will be 6. This will be your homework. Give the answer in your comment section. Okay, and also like the video, subscribe if you are new here. Let's go one more. Now type 3 questions. Okay, type 3 question, you can see very important, very important. Okay, mark it as important. This type of question I have seen many times in all MPSC, MLP exams, DSC exams. Okay, let's see. Let's see the type 3 questions. You should remember something here. Before starting type 3 questions, you should remember. Suppose you are given, say, this type of question. Okay, if 15 men can do work, I'll say like this, can say 15 men can build a bridge working 5 hours a day in 15 days. Okay, then I'll say how many men's working 3 hours a day can complete in, say, 10 days. Okay, getting my point? How many men? Now you should remember how many men are needed to complete the same work. It is talking about the same bridge. Okay, so you should mark it as important. How you should do? See, first of all, in this type of question, you should know what is the given things. Okay, suppose in this case 15 men, so you should write M1 is equal to 50. This will be first. Then you should remember how many days, how many percent, how many days, and how many hours. Hours is how much? Our H1 is 5 hours, and how many days? T is equal to 15 days. Also given is how many, same, because they are working same. Okay, same, they are building the same bridge, but only difference is how many different types of men are given, different numbers of men are given, different hours is given, and different days, but they are building the exactly same bridge. Okay, so let's see now. M2, our M2 we don't know, because how many men? M2 will be, we don't know. Then 3 hours a day, H2 will be 3, and our days will be how much? Days, T2 will be 10. So they are working in the same bridge, they are building the same bridge. Okay, this is just for example, they are building the same bridge, means they are doing the equal work. They are equal work. M1 H1 D1 equal to M2 H2 D2. So you should remember this formula. Men 1 into, sorry, this will be, let me write it clearly. Men 1 into day 1 into H hour 1, this will be equal to men 2 into day 2 into hour 2. Very important formula. Okay, sometimes it is only given men into the days, hour is not given, men into days. Okay, so this is a very important formula, you should remember. So this is just for example, I've given question, let us solve with the question. Okay, very important, you should remember. MDH, just remember MDH masala. Okay, so let's go. Type 3 questions. Question: 15 men working 8 hours a day can build a dam in 10 days. So if there are 15 men working for 8 hours a day and they can build a dam in 10 days, total days they'll be taking as 10. In how many days 12 men working 10 hours a day can complete the same work? Now, how many days would be taken by 12 men if they are working for 10 hours a day to complete the same work? Can you see? It's given same work, right? They are building the same dam. Okay, so let us see now. First thing you should do, given M1 is how much? I can see it is 15, right? H1 is how much? It is 8. And how many days they are taking? Day 1 is 10. Now, this is M1. Now, M2 is how much? You can see there are 12 men. Then H2 is how much? 10. But D2 we don't know. That is what we need to find. Use the formula that I have said. Use the formula. It will be M1 into D1 into H1. MDH, okay? MDH. Must be 2, okay? 2. Clear? Now put the put the values. M1 is 15 into day 1 is 10 into H is 8 equal to M2 is 12, D2 we don't know, into 5 into H2 is 10. See, now I've told you when they are in the numerators you can cancel them, right? When you see equal in between, so you can cancel 10 and 10 gets cancelled. Here I can do 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So can you see what is remaining? 5 into 2 equal to D2. So what will be our D2? D2 will 5 into 2 is how much? 10 days. So how many days this 12 men working for 10 hours will take? They will also take 10 days to complete to build a dam. Okay, I hope it is clear. Answer will be 10 days. So let's see one more this type of question. Let's see. 20 men working 6 hours a day can build a wall in 9 days. In how many days will 15 men working 8 hours a day build the same wall? So, okay, you want to do this as a homework? You do this as a homework. This will be question number 7 for homework. Okay, homework number. So, answer and comment. Very easy. Use same. This will be your M1. This will be your H1. This will be your D1. I've given you M2. This will be H2. We don't know what D2. You need to find this. Use the MDH, MDH, MDH. Use this formula to get the answer. And answer in the comment section. Okay. Answer in comment section. Okay. Let's go next. Again, another important type of questions. These are very important questions. You might expect in the upcoming exam. Questions on wages means how much they are earning. Okay, how much they are earning if they are working together. So let us see. If A and B together earn rupees 1200, how much they are working? See, 1200 rupees together. But what we need, what this type of question needs is how much if they work separately. How much they will get their wages. Okay, so let's see how much they will earn in particular. So let's see, for completing a piece of work, if A alone can do the work in 10 days, B alone can do in 15 days. How much should A get from the total wage? So what will be the wage of A? It is what the question is asking. So you can expect this type of question, but I have never seen in any of the exams conducted by Meghalaya. Okay, so let us see A and B together working. Okay, so same way. Okay, just get the total work, get the efficiency, and that's done. Let's see, A alone do same way. A 10 days, B how many days? B 15 days. Get the total work, LCM. If you LCM, I'll be getting 30. Then into 3, this will be the efficiency 15. 15 into 2. This will be 2. This will be the efficiency. Okay. This will be the efficiency of what? A can do 2 units or 3 units of work per day. B can do 2 units of work per day. Now, as per the question, they both are working together. A plus B. Take this 3. I can take 3 as 3x to get the ratio method. Okay, 3. This will be 2x. Okay. Let's see. If they are working together, this will be 3x plus 2x. Be how much? 5x. So they both are working together to complete 5x units of work per day. But according to the question, this 5x is equal to how much? In rupees. In rupees, it is 1200. If they both are working, they are earning 1200 rupees. Yes or no? So x will be the, if you need to find the for particular A or B, then what you should do, you should get the value of x first. You get 1200 by 5, so it will be how much? 5 into 240. So if you cancel 5, 240. So yes, 240, x will be the 240. Now once we know x will be 240 rupees, yes or no, get the value of whichever person is asking how much A should get. So we know A is, so how much? A is 3x. So put the value 3 into 2x is 240. This will be how much? 0, 2, 3, 4, 12, carry 1, 3, 6, 7, 20. So A will earn how much rupees? 720 rupees, A alone. If B then just minus 1200 by 70, you'll get the answer. Okay, I hope it is clear. Let's see one more. Okay, let's see one more. This rupees 3525. Let me do it. Okay, A, B, C can do a piece of work in 12 days, 16 days and 20 days respectively. Now don't be confused, they're not working together. Once you see the word respectively, means for A it will be 12 days, for B it will be 16 days, and for C it will be 20 days. I hope this is clear. Let us do the same. A 12, B 16, B is 16, C is 20. First thing you should do, get the LCM. Now for the bigger number, 21, 20, 22, 40, 23, 60, 24, 80, 25. 25 is how much? 100, but this is not divisible by any of this. 26 is 120. So is 120 divisible by 16? Check. 16 into, if you do 5, 33, 80, not yet possible. If you do, not possible, go more. 120, 140, then comes 160. 160, is it possible? (20, 40, 60), then you get 80, then you get 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 160. As this will be possible, this will be possible. Is 160 divided by 12? Not possible. Then you should go more, 180, 200, then you should go 200, and then 220, 220, then you should get 240. 240 is divisible by 16. 16 1 is 16. You should get 1480. 16 to 5. Yeah. So it will be divisible. So our LCM will be how much? It will be 240. Okay. The total work will be 240. Now get the what? The efficiency. How will you get efficiency? 12 into how much? 240. 12 into 20. 16 into how much? 16 into 16 into how much? We get just now. 16 into you should get 15, right? 15 into 60, 30, 5, 1, 8, 6, 1. Yeah, you should get 16, 15. 16 into 15 is 240, then 20 into 12, right? So now we know the efficiency of all of this, right? Just put x in. If you're confused, you can put x, but not necessary. If you can just do it directly also, no need of putting x, because it will be cancelled after all, right? So let us see now what the question is asking is, they all work together and complete the work, earning rupees 35. Now they are working together. 20x plus 15x plus 12x, they're getting how much? 35 to 5. Now add all this. 20 plus 12 is how much? 32 plus 15 is 47x is equal to 3525. Get the value of x. 3525 by 47. Now if you cancel this one, you'll get how much? 3525 47. If you do 47 into 5, 6, 7, try 47, 49, 4, 4, 28, 32. 47, 56, carry 5, 8, 42, 37. So yes, we can take 329. 47 into 7 is 329, minus, subtract this one, 12 minus 9 will be 3. This will be 4 minus 2 will be 2, 5. Let's see more. 47 into 5, you get 35, carry 3, 5, 4, 20, 23. So you're getting 75. Okay, 75. 47, 1, 47, 75. So the value of x is how much? Value of x is 75. Okay, so once you got the value of x, look for the question for which person is asking. What is A share? So A share will be how much? 20x. A is how much? A is 20x. So our 20 into 75, x is 75. You should get how much? 2, 5 is 10, carry 1, 14, 15. So it is rupees 1500. Okay, that's rupees 1500. Can you see? It is option number C will be the correct answer. I hope this is clear. Mark it as important, you might expect. Okay. Okay, now we have completed the types of question in time and work. See, there are plenty of different types of question in time and work. Okay, but as per the question given by all those MPSC, DSC and upcoming MLP exams, we'll be practicing that only. Okay, you can practice more also. So let us see previous year question which has come in UB 22. A and B can do a piece of work in 20 days. B and C can do it in 60 days. If B alone can do it in 90 days, what time A and C together do it? Okay, so let's see. First thing, A plus B, how much? They are taking 20 days. B plus C, how many days? 60 days. B alone can do in how many days? 90 days. Get the LCM. I can see 180 perfectly fits because 20 into 9 will be 180, 60 into 3 will be 180, 90 into 2. Okay, or lesser than this we cannot take, right? 90, because we cannot divide 90 by 60. So we got the efficiency of A plus B is 9, B plus C is 3, and B alone is 2, right? But what the question is, in what time A and C together do it? Now we need the efficiency of A and C. That means A plus C. A plus C, we don't know. Okay, so how we'll get A plus C? Let us do like this. Let us get the efficiency of A first. How we'll get? Put this B in here. We'll get, so if A plus B is how much? 2 equal 9. We will get the efficiency of A. That is 9 minus 2. Efficiency of A will be how much? 7, right? We got the efficiency of A. We have of B. Now we need for C. So what you can do? Again, C, do same way. You will put here. You'll put here. You'll get how much? B is how much? Our B is 2 plus C equal to 3. Then C will be 3 minus 2. C will be equal to how much? 1. So the efficiency of C is how much? 1, right? Now what we should do? We need the value of A plus B. Get the efficiency. Oh, sorry, A plus C. A and C, right? A and C will be how much? 7 plus 1, which will be 8, right? C is 1. C is 1. And A is 7, right? So what you should do, you got the efficiency of A plus B. Now get the time. So time of A plus C will be how much? The total work is 180, right? We got 180 divided by 8. So when you divide this one, you'll get the answer. T A plus C will be how much? Divide, I can do like this. 4, 2, so 8. Then 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. If you divide this one, you'll be getting 22.5. 22.5 days. Okay, so the answer will be 22.5 days. Very important. Okay, mark this one. Answer will be B, 22.5 days. I hope this is clear. Let's go one more. PYQ. 18 men can do a piece of work. This has come in again in UB 2016. Job in 12 hours. Find the number of days 15 men will take the same job, right? 9 hours a day. So very easy. Get M1 is how much? 18. D1 is 20. H1 is 12. For M2 now. Check M2 is 15. Will take the complete same work, and H2 is given 9. But D2 is not given. That is what you need to find. Use the formula M1 into D1 into H1. They are doing the same work, so it will be equal. M2 into D2 into H2. So our M1 is how much? 18 into 20 into 12 equal. M2 is 15 into 9 into, we don't know, D2. Let's put this like that. Now cancel. 9 1 is 9. 9 2 is 18. Then now here also I can cancel. 3 5 is 15. 3 4 is 12. 5 1 is 5. 5 4 is 20. The remaining is how much? 2 into 4 into 4 will be D2. Multiply 248, 8 into 4 is 32. So our D2 will be how much? 32 days. Okay, I hope this is clear. Very easy, right? I've already taught you. So our option number B will be the correct answer. Let's see one more. MPSC LDA. This is common MPSC. A and B can do a work in 12 days. B and C 15 days. Very easy. Do it yourself. Homework. Okay. This is very easy. Comment and answer. I mean answer and comment. Okay, not comment and answer. Answer and comment. So this will be question number 8 for you. You can mention question number 8, answer will be this much. Let's see one more. 7% complete a work in 4 hours. AB 2016. Okay, how many person can complete the same work in 2 hours? Very easy. M1 is given 7, then H2 is 4. H2, okay, H2. M2 is, we don't know. H2 is 4. They are doing the same work. So M1 into H1 equal M2 into H2. Put the values, get the answer. 7 into 4 equal to M2 into 4. So cancel 4 gets cancel. M2 7, and we have, sorry, H2 is 2. Okay, H2 is 2. I'm very sorry, this is 2, right? So H2 will be 2. Cancel. This will be 2 2s, okay? 2 1s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So our M2 will be 7 into 2. To be 7 into 2. This will be how much? M2 will be 14%. Okay, 14 men are needed. So 14%. I hope this is clear. Very easy, right? This type of question only it comes in exams. Okay, so we have come to the end of time and work. I hope you have liked it. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and also practice, and also all the best for the upcoming exams. Okay, thank you so much. All the best.